Crypto Anup altcoin. Let's go everyone. Welcome and thank you so much for joining in. Today in this video we are going to talk about my 4 personal altcoin pick or 4 different meme coin pick. Let's say in that way. 4 different meme coin pick for the upcoming bull market, for the upcoming altcoin season. Yes, we are going to talk about all of this in today's video one by one. So before I start sharing with you my personal meme coin pick, please destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So I want to start with the top meme tokens by market capitalization. First is Dogecoin, obviously because it has more than 10 billion market cap. Second is Shiba Inu with 5.1 billion market cap. Third, Pepe with almost 600 million market cap. And final, not baby Dogecoin, but Flocky with 315 market cap. Yes, guys, my personal pick, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, and Flocky. These 4 meme coins will remain as my favorite for the upcoming bull market or upcoming all season. So let's start with Dogecoin here in a weekly time frame. Previously, we talked about this parallel channel or so-called this horizontal channel, where we found out the upper line has been acting as a strong line of resistance, lower line as a strong line of support. Because if you look at the parallel channel, the upper line from this parallel channel or horizontal channel is acting as a strong line of resistance, lower line acting as a strong line of support. So if you look at this Dogecoin price action in a weekly time frame, we are not just only holding one of the most important support line here in the medium short term around 7 cents, but also the central line from this parallel channel. So if we do break the support around 7 cents, then please be careful, guys. The upcoming days for Dogecoin could be favoring the shorts before consolidating, before starting a new impulsive movement, because according to this double top formation scenario here, you can see this formation here looks like double top, and now after getting attracted towards this neckline, the price is showing some support. But please be careful, once the price or the overall market, crypto market, starts showing weakness, then this could be favoring the shorts. Yes, once the neckline or the support around 7 cents gets broken, we could be seeing another trend continuation here to the downside, which could bring the price of Dogecoin around 5 cents to $6, and that will be around 20% price retracement. But if you are dollar cost averaging, then I think this price range around 7 cents to 6 cents would be a great buying opportunity. Even if you look at this in a bit different way, I mean, if you simply look at this formation using the logarithmic scale, we can also see that the price of Dogecoin has broken out from this long-term resistance line or the falling trend line. This falling trend line acted as a strong line of resistance, and this is exactly where we got attracted. This is exactly where the price started showing consolidation. So if this is going to be favoring the longs after this breakout from the falling trend line, then we definitely want to invalidate this double top formation and also break the resistance from this upper trend line sitting around 9 cents. Yes, if the bulls manages to defend this resistance, then we could be slowly starting a new impulsive movement here like this. So right now, support on 7 cents is extremely important, and if you want to see actual bullish movement playing out, then we have to overcome this 9 cent resistance line. So please monitor the price movement carefully. Now, beside Dogecoin, let's jump into Pepe. For Pepe, I have been keeping things super simple for you guys, because we have said the most important line for us is this horizontal trend line. Yes, this horizontal trend line is considered as one of the most important support line. And now, since the price is inside this broadening bottom, we need to be a bit careful. Yes, broadening bottom is considered bullish, but on my previous video, I even showed you that if this is going to be a bullish reversal here for the upcoming days, then we are not allowed to break below the right shoulder, we broke the support, right? And now we are clearly getting attracted towards this lower trend line. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that for Pepe, maybe the medium short term and even for the upcoming days might be favoring the shorts, right? But once we get attracted towards this horizontal trend line, which is going to be around 0.000010 or 09, that would be the area where I personally will start dollar cost averaging, because I think around this price range it could be a good buy, not just only for me but for bigger traders or bigger investors. Yesterday, look on-chain spotted BlackRock fund withdrew 1.27 trillion Pepe, worth almost like 2 million from Binance to 4 different addresses. Yes guys, and BlackRock fund made around 2.3 million, 10x on their Pepe investment before, and they have now started to slowly accumulate. These 4 addresses uses the same Binance deposit address as BlackRock fund 3.8 and are most likely addresses newly created by BlackRock fund. And you can see BlackRock fund bought 1 trillion Pepe, 244k at the time, at an average price of 0.0000002431 on April 21st, and sold all 1 trillion Pepe, 2.63 million at the time, at an average price of 0.00002627 on May 5th. The profit is around 2.39 million, 10x. So what I'm trying to show you here is that now BlackRock fund might have bought Pepe again. Yes, and when they bought last time, they made exponential amount of profit, $2.39 million profit, almost 10x from the initial investment. So they might have slowly dollar cost averaging, but I personally would wait a little more before jumping into dollar cost averaging. I mean, I think there could be another 10 to 20% price retracement, and only after that I will slowly start dollar cost averaging. And now let's jump into Shiba Inu. Now, if we look at this Shiba Inu coin in a weekly time frame, you can see nothing much has changed since couple of years. It simply looks like a pump and dump coin. But what I want you guys to look at is the area where we are slowly getting gravitated. The line which previously acted as a strong line of resistance here held the price, right? And each and every time whenever we got attracted towards this horizontal trend line, after that we saw relief rally. So if this here is going to be another relief rally, then we could be trapped inside this horizontal channel. The upper line in our case is acting as a line of resistance, right? This here is a line of resistance, and lower line is acting as a line of support. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here, since the price is exactly at the support line, which has been holding the price since years, right? If this here is going to be another continuation, then I don't think that this range where we are right now around 0.00000856 or 84 range would be a bad place to start accumulating, because you can see in the past price action, each and every time whenever we got attracted towards this lower trend line, after that we had a very nice impulsive movement. Here we had more than 127 or 25% price surge, here more than 100%, and this is exactly where we are right now. So if we start dollar cost averaging, I don't think this might be a bad idea at all. And also in a logarithmic scale, we can see that very clearly. Things looks very clear. The lower line area could be acting as a support, but in the medium short term, there could be some more shakeout, 7 to 10% price retracement. But I personally think around this area, if we start accumulating, it's not a bad idea, because you can see since more than 343 days, the price has been holding the line, and each and every time we got attracted towards this horizontal trend line, after that we saw a very nice relief rally. So that's why guys, the area where we are right now for Shiba Inu is not a bad area to slowly start dollar cost averaging. And now let's jump into Flocky. So for Flocky, I want to keep things simple, but before that, please destroy that like button if you haven't done it yet. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now looking into Flocky here in a daily time frame, I want to make it very simple for you guys. I mean, if you look at the price movement, if we look at the area where we could be potentially getting gravitated in the medium short term in the upcoming days, things are looking very interesting. Why? Because if we look at the price structure here in a weekly time frame using the logarithmic scale or without the logarithmic scale, doesn't matter, we can see this horizontal trend line here is one of the most important line of support for Flocky, which is around 0.00002625 range. Yes guys, this line, this horizontal line which previously acted as a support, could be attracting the price for the upcoming days, which means we could see another retracement of around 17 to 20% before deciding the trend direction. Because if we do see Flocky finding support or holding this range, then we know, just like here from the past price action, after that we could be also expecting some relief rally type of movement. But for me personally, this trend looks bearish. Yes, the Flocky trend might look bearish for the upcoming days, because if we look at this formation here, rejection from this falling trend line, and even if this here is going to be any sort of a movement here like this, or let's say a symmetrical triangle type of formation, I personally think even the symmetrical triangle depends where it breaks, this here will be a continuation pattern like this. Price breaking below the lower trend line, getting attracted towards this horizontal trend line, then slowly with some range bound starting a new uptrend here in this manner. So that's why Flocky, I won't jump into the trade right now or start dollar cost averaging, because I think the market could see further weakness, further retracement, 15 to 20% retracement before we can slowly start accumulating. But in the worst case scenario, I mean, if the trend does those further weakness, even break the support from this horizontal trend line, then the next area of confluence you can see would bring the price or would drop the price more than 40%. Yes guys, 40% price retracement could be also on the line if the worst case scenario plays out. And in that case, this horizontal line which previously acted as the resistance could be attracting the price around 0.00001718 range. So this were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you regarding meme coin, or my personal meme coin for the upcoming bull market, upcoming all season. So if you like what you just saw, then please destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.